Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Episode 6, Kill Denji, Chainsaw Man. Right here, right after the next, like I told y'all, these are gonna get uploaded back to back, back on the grind we go. I missed last week, like I said on the last episode. We're back on it. Kill Denji, episode 6 of Chainsaw Man. Let's get right into it, baby. Hold up. Let me. Sorry, I had to stop myself real quick. I was literally about to go in. Last episode, we seen, if you're coming straight from last episode, you already know what happened, right? But basically, Gun Devil, Mrs. Makima, it's like, I know her name, but I don't, you know what I'm saying? But she made a deal with Denji, She promised Denji anything if he kills the Gun Devil, you know what I'm saying? And last episode, we also noticed that Aki, basically, more backstory to him. He lost, I would say, everything. His parents, his younger brother, and we're just learning more of the Gun Devil and all these. But the title of this episode is Kill Denji, so I'm assuming something's gonna happen with Denji. He's just about to pop off because that man made a promise, and he is gonna do that promise. You know what I'm saying? Let's get right into it. Oh, hold up, what? Wait, what? All right. I'm stopping it right there. I literally expected them. I didn't even expect any of that. I'm actually shocked. I expected the windows leading outside, not literally across the hall. You know what I mean? Damn, that is scary. Imagine you actually get stuck in that in real life. That'd be weird. All right. Damn. Damn. Hey, my man, before you call him stupid and all that, he's asking the real questions. If the time's not moving, we could basically sleep forever, you know? You know what I'm saying? He's not wrong. It's not wrong.
それで魔人ちゃんなんだけど。パワーがどうかしたんです？わしは暇だからノーベル賞を考えておった。ノーベル賞を発明すれば人間はわしにひれ伏すじゃろうて。 その後はノーベル賞を踏み台にわしは総理大臣になる。人間が苦しんでる姿が見たいからの。手始めに消費税は 100% じゃ。
いつも通りっすね。
ならよかった。
She's always like that. That's comedy right there. Great comedy.
一生で吸うタバコはこの一本だけだ。姫野先輩、タバコ残ってます。
ね、これ最後の一本。
じゃあそれくださいよ。
しょうがないな。
キスだ。ずるい。関節キスだ。名前。悪いニュースがある。
Oh, what's the news?
俺たちが殺した悪魔がいたろ。
わしが殺したやつじゃな。
そいつがどんどん大きくなってる。
Huh? Oh. Oh.
確かにわしが殺したはずじゃ。ホテルから出られない。見たこともない形状。こりゃ何の悪魔だ。
Oh.
喋った。契約だと。
そこのデンジという人間を私に食わせろ。殺をしたいでもいい。私に食わせろ。そうしたら他のデビルハンターは全員無事に外へ返す。無事に返す。契約しろ。
No.
デンジ、食わせろ。
Is that her power or something?
じゃ、私のゴーストでやるか。
Oh, damn.
でかくなった。
That thing going crazy. Damn.
ここに私の心臓はない。ここは犬中。私の弱点は8階にはない。
そいつは殺すべきです。一度そいつを殺して外に出た後に対策を練ればいい。このままじゃみんなホテルで餓死ですよ。デビルハンターが悪魔と契約することは法律でも認められている。その悪魔の契約を受けるべきです。悪魔はデンジを殺したがっている。
All right, you know what, my man, that guy's getting me a little on my nerves, you know. Don't be offering my boy Denji up like that, you know. Don't offer up my boy Denji like that, cause then I'm about to offer your ass, and you're gonna be the one that's gonna be dead. Not by them, by me.
デンジの死が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう。だから契約は受けない。
じゃあ私も。わしは殺す派じゃ。ノーベル賞を思いついても外に出られなければ発表できないからな。
Just the duo dynamic, the dynamic duo. Shout out FIFA for those words of these two. Has to be my favorite, easily. It gives me that Usopp and Chopper vibes.
魔人と悪魔は契約を結べない。だからお前がデンジを殺しても。貴様が全部食べたのか。
わしじゃない。デンジが食べておったわ。
すぐバレる嘘。
わかっちゃった。私、わかっちゃった。その魔人の力で8階から出られないんだ。絶対そうだ。違うが。
落ち着けコメリちゃん。こいつは血の魔人で。
魔人をかばうの。私たちデビルハンターなのに。新井君は悪魔の仲間なんだ。スパイだったんだ。酸っぱいじゃ。
What's up with her, man? What's up with you? You on my team.
俺は悪魔の仲間なんかじゃ。
So that's what it is. Okay, okay. They just told us it wasn't even the gun devil the whole time. It was.
傾いた。姫野先輩。おいあんた、何してんだ。
その刀を使えば外には出られるだろうけど、使うと契約でアキくんの寿命がかなり減るの。アキくんはまだやらなきゃいけないことがたくさんあるんだ。だからごめんね、デンジ君。
おい触んな。
Hey, no way. Look what you've done. You did that.
確かにそいつは刺されても仕方のない胸くその悪い野郎だが、銃の悪魔を殺そうとしている。俺一人じゃ銃の悪魔を殺せないんだ。奴を殺すには立ち向かう気概のあるデビルハンターが一人でも多く欲しい。俺の寿命を減らしてでも天地は殺させない。
Hell yeah. Here we go again. It's because of him. No. Don't even start. Don't even start. I don't want to hear none of that.
はいはい。じゃあ食われてやら。外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
Ah, shit. Huh? 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 That's how we're ending it off like that. Well, damn, what an ending that was. If I'm being quite honest, cause holy, we just damn. The last two episodes just damn. The next one is like it's all connected. It's not like the last couple episodes where it's you take down a certain devil and you know you continue, but no, this time it's we're waiting until next week, I guess. I don't know if this is part of the manga or anything. Some people might know what happens. I for surely don't. But ladies and gents, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one, episode 7. It's 100% about to be a banger just for the fact that Denji threw himself into the Infinity Devil. It's what it was called, the Infinity Devil. But a Infinity Gauntlet, that shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's episode. Reactions, you know, they're getting better. I prefer them like this. It's much more easier to show like my actual reactions instead of me showing actual just pictures of what you know what I've just watched. But other than that, YouTube, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great rest of you guys' day, rest of you guys' night, whenever you watch this. Other than that, I'll see you guys later. Deuces, peace, adios, bye bye.